بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hello, brothers and sisters, and welcome back to our new lesson of the Tajweed course for beginners. And today's topic is the third rule of the Meem Sakin. After we've explained the Ikhfa Shafawy and the Idgham Mutamathilin Saghir, the third rule in today is Izhar Shafawy. So let's get started. As we've explained before, that Izhar means to pronounce clear, to make something obvious or clear. So in this rule, Izhar Shafawy means liptic clear, that you're pronouncing the Meem Sakin clear when it's followed by some certain letters. What are these letters? Any letter other than Meem or Ba. The Ikhfa Shafawi, if Meem Sakin is followed by Ba. The Idgham Mutamathilin Saghir is when Meem Sakin is followed by another Meem. So Izhar Shafawi happens with the remaining letters other than Meem and Ba. So again, if Meem Sakin is followed by any letter other than Meem or Ba, we have to pronounce the Meem Sakin clear without doing anything, just making a complete contact with the two lips in order to pronounce the Meem Sakin clear. Let's see examples. As we can see in the first example, the Meem Sakin is followed by Sin, and Sin, of course, is from the remaining letters other than Meem and Ba. So how do we pronounce this? We will pronounce just the Meem clear with no Ghunnah, with nothing at all. صلاتهم ساهون صلاتهم ساهون, just like this. Let's see the second example. Meem Sakin followed by Ain. Ain is from the remaining letters other than Meem and Ba. Hum an. And in the third example, it will be Hum yura'un, just pronouncing the Meem. Hum yura'un. And the last example, as we can see here, Meem Sakin is followed by Ya in the next word. So it will be ألم يجعل ألم يجعل. So simply, if the Meem Sakin is followed by any letter other than Meem or Ba, which are 26 letters remaining from the 28 Arabic alphabet, in this case we have to make a complete contact between our lips in order to pronounce the Meem Sakin clear, with no Ghunnah, with nothing at all. And we would like to notify you about something very important regarding this rule. The scholars of Tajweed, they've noticed that the letters Waw and Fa, their articulation points are closer to the articulation point of Meem. Wa, Fa. So they're all close to the makhraj of the two lips, or the articulation points of the two lips. So they made a warning in order not to hide the Meem when it's followed by Waw and Fa, since they're pretty close to the articulation point of the Meem. So they said واحذر لدى واو وفاء أن تختفي لقربها والاتحاد فاعرفي, which is, take care if the Meem Sakin is followed by Waw and Fa, don't do any hiding or Ikhfa, though it's Izhar Shafawi. As it's written here, when the Meem is followed by Waw or Fa, the Izhar should be stronger, and it's called Izhar Shafawi Ashad, in order to take care not to do Ghunnah, not to hide the Meem. Now, after we have understood this ruling of Izhar Shafawi, let's try to apply it in a verse from Surah Al-Ma'un. As we can see in this surah, we have here Meem Sakin followed by Ain, Meem Sakin followed by Sin, Meem Sakin followed by Ya. And all three of them are Izhar Shafawi. Let's try reading these verses. الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون الذين هم يراءون ويمنعون الماعون. So in the first one, hum an. The second one, صلاتهم ساهون. And the third one, الذين هم يراءون. In all three positions, we had to do Izhar Shafawi, just pronouncing the Meem clear, with no Ghunnah, with nothing at all. And this is the end of our lesson today. The rule of Izhar Shafawi, which is the third rule of the Meem Sakin. And by this lesson, we have finished all the three rulings of Meem Sakin. Hope that you understood it. If you have any questions, please write them down below. See you next time, inshallah, and Assalamu alaikum.